Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been a crazy week in crypto. Market crashed hard, and yet one coin just refused to stay down. I'm talking about Zcash, the privacy coin that pulled off one of the strongest comebacks I have seen this year. In this video, we are breaking down exactly what happened, why this move could actually signal something bigger, and how traders are using volatility like this to their advantage. And before we jump in, a quick shout out to today's sponsor Margex, the crypto trading platform that lets you trade with precision, manage your risk easily, and take advantage of moments like this. More of them in just a minute. Alright, let's get into it. So here is how it all went down. Last Friday, crypto market took a massive hit. A surprise US tariff announcement triggered panic across the board. Billions were liquidated within hours. Zcash dropped around 45% from roughly $273 all the way down to about $150. It looked brutal. But then, in one of the craziest turnarounds I have seen lately, Zcash bounced back within a day. By Saturday, it had recovered everything, even hitting a new local high of around $291 before stabilizing in the high of 270s. That's not just a recovery, that's a statement. While most of the market stayed red, Zcash showed incredible relative strength, and this wasn't from a flat base either. At the start of October, Zcash was trading around $74, meaning it had already 4x before the crash. So this bounce wasn't luck, it was momentum. So what does this actually tell us? In the markets like this, strength matters. When everything dumps, the coin that recovers first are the ones traders pay attention to. It's a sign of confidence, of liquidity, and sometimes smart money rotation. And from a psychological standpoint, it triggers FOMO. People see a chart bounce 100% in 24 hours and think, okay, this one might be different. But volatility like this cuts both ways. If you don't have a plan or proper risk control, it's easy to get wrecked. And that brings me to our sponsor for today, because having the right trading tools really makes all the difference. This video is sponsored by Margex, one of my go-to platforms for trading crypto with leverage. If you are looking for a safe and really effective trading platform, Margex is honestly one of the best options right now. I did a full tutorial on it recently, so check it out, and honestly, I think it's one of the most beginner-friendly platforms I have used. They've got hundreds of trading peers, so you can jump into coins like Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and also Zcash, or whatever else you are interested in. Plus, new users can get up to $10,000 in bonuses with my link down below, which is pretty crazy. So you can even use those bonuses to cover part of your trading fees, which really helps if you're active in trading. And if you don't have much time, they also have copy trading, so you can just follow pro traders and have their trades copied automatically. Super useful if you are busy or just starting out. So yeah, if you want to check it out, I will leave my link in the description. Again, big thanks for Margex for supporting the channel, but now let's get back to Zcash. So I think the right question would be, what's next for Zcash? If this momentum holds, the key level to watch is around $270. That zone has flipped from resistance into support, and as long as the price stays above it, bulls remain in control. The next upside target sits near $320, which could act as a psychological ceiling if momentum slows. On the flip side, if Zcash loses that $270 zone with strong volume, we could see a quick returns back towards the low 240s. So right now, it's all about patience and confirmation. This is where traders separate emotion from execution, waiting for the setup to prove itself before jumping in. So let's be real, we have all seen these post-crash recoveries before. Some turn into full breakouts, others fade instantly. The key is risk management. Even if you think the move is strong, never go all in. Size small, use stops, and treat every trade like a test, not a bet. That's what professional traders do, and it's exactly why I like platforms like Margex, because you can plan your trade before it plays out. Volatility isn't the enemy, lack of discipline is. So to wrap it up, Zcash comeback wasn't just impressive, it was symbolic. It showed that even in chaotic market, strength and confidence can repair fast. Whether this turns into the start of the new uptrend or just a short-term squeeze, one thing's clear: the market rewards those who stayed prepared. Thanks again to the Markex for sponsoring this video. Link is down below if you want to check them out. If you found this break helpful, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments, do you think Zcash can push past $300 again this month? As always, stay smart, stay strategic, and never stop learning. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.